Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a tier list. The tier list of Hearthstone dragons. A new expansion is coming out called Descent of Dragons. So I decided to put them in a tier list, a hotness tier list. Because, well, I'm a dragon and I gotta see what's on the menu. Gotta see those hot dragons. Alright, let's start. Invasive failing. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Alright, well, it's not that hot. It's okay, but nothing is special. So let's just move. Oops, not this one. Let's just move him right. Maybe E. Yeah, could be worse. Alright, let's see the next one. Amber Watcher. Oh yeah, look at that. Amber, yeah. Well, that is a true daddy material right there, as you can see. Yeah, definitely. I would definitely climb under him. So, let's go and put it in A. Okay, next one. Emerald Explorer. Well, look at that. Look at those legs. Definitely been working out. No, actually. But it doesn't look bad, yeah. It definitely looks kinda humpable. Definitely a good rough partner. Alright, let's see the next one. Murzond the Infinite. I have no idea how to pronounce that still. Alright. Well, it doesn't look bad, but he's all spiky and crystal, so he might be a bit rough to handle. So let's put him in D. Let's see the next one. As you can see, we have a lot of dragons in this expansion. Alright. Nidhogg. Well, he's not the most handsome dragon, but he's clearly not the worst. Definitely a C. Alright, next one. Voxodred. Well. I'm sure there is a king for them. So for those people it's good, but for regular one, it's not so much. It's a wax dragon. It's definitely not too bad, but oh Jesus, no, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Could be E, but no, I don't want to put it there. Okay, next one. Gazed Netherwing. I mean, it seems good. She seems good. Just low. No, it seems good. Yeah, definitely fuckable. Not the most handsome, but yeah, around the sea. All right, next one. Maligos. Oh, hello there. Quite lovely. Those dang legs. He looks good. Alright, well, yeah, definitely A or S. I don't know, maybe A. Maybe I will revise it later. Okay, next one. Squall Hunter. He is handsome as well. Look at that. Quite lovely, quite lovely. B or A, somewhere between. I don't know. Well, let's put it to B. It's quite lovely. Hot dragon. Okay, next one. Alexstrasza. Well, he's definitely a good MILF. A hot MILF, I would say. Well, I don't know, B. I mostly go on by face. But yeah, definitely a hot partner and probably dummy one. Alright. Nosdormu, the Timeless. Well, he must be very kinky because he seems old. Alright, well, he is definitely a C. Next one. Yes, Sarah. Well, hello, look at those eyes. Should we put it on S? Definitely is a hot one. She's definitely hot. But if we put him in, her in S, then Moligos has to go there as well. Fine. Let's put her there and put him there. Good. Those hot ones. Alright. This is a whelp. We don't fuck whelps. Alright. Whoop. Bloop. Alright, next one. Well, this isn't a whelp. This is a stylized dragon. Definitely. Bronze Explorer. Seems like, you know, that quirky character. It would be probably a fun experience. Maybe he's a bit shy and stuff, you know. Those things. So let's put him, yeah, let's put him there. There. It's definitely fun, probably fun. Just imagine. And he's also Antro, so yeah, he's probably fun. Yeah, let's put him there. Okay, next one. Veranus. Veranus. Alright. Well, he has tiny arms. He has good legs and a gigantic head. I don't know. He's not that hot. But if you want to group up and fuck his maw, like in a 4 or 6 person, you can definitely take it. Let's put him there. Next one. Evasive rib. I cannot pronounce that. Alright. Well, he definitely looks hot. He has a great build, but his face is not not perfect. But he's definitely in an A category, that's for sure. Okay, let's move to the next one. And would you know, we have a tower. That's definitely a tower. Cobalt Spellkin. Well, I don't really like towers, but we should look above or beyond that. And it's probably fun. I mean, look at those legs. Look at these eyes. Well, face. It's lovely. I think he's definitely a good partner in the bed. So, there or there. Yeah, let's put it. No, actually, we put him there and we put this on here. There. Perfect. Okay, next one. Primordial Explorer. Well, he also has a gigantic face and maw, so good for groups, I guess. Next one. Deathwing. Mad aspect. Well, Deathwing is also quite a hottie, that's for sure. He's a gigantic though, but I don't know. If you take some growth potion or something, you definitely can jerk him off or take him, though he might be a bit hot. Well, A or B? Let's put it to B. Okay. Next one. No. Fate Weaver. Well, that jaw is a bit too much for me. Those legs. He has a good build, but not so pretty face. So I would put him in there. C. Alright, let's see. Next one. Evasive. Oh, I won't try to pronounce it. Dragon Kid. Well, look at that. Is she a female? Yes, boobs. It's definitely quite a hot one. It's a bit too much teeth, but regardless, it's pretty hot I would say. Pretty hot. Definitely an A. Not an S. Prefer those to be an S, but definitely an A. Great fun between his third thighs. Anyways, Zeraku the Warped. Well, he's okay. He seems quite okay. His face is okay. His build is okay. But not quite. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if no, not S, but it's quite good. Quite good looking. Quite good looking. Yeah, put it in A. Okay, next one. Whoop. Sion of Ruin. Well, it's also a good one, good looking one. Quite hot. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where to put it. B or A? Well, B or A or to B or A. Let's put it. That is great build, but yes, fires and stuff, so not the best to have your way with. Next one. Two-headed dragon-like twin trident. Well, it's okay. Not. I mean, the two heads is definitely fun. Usually fun. They can do some kinky shit because one is fire and one is ice, so that's definitely a plus. It doesn't look too good, but it has a kinkiness factor, so yeah, let's put it in B. And last one. Let's see, a big ol' whelp. Just draw a card, just big ol' whelp. We definitely don't want to fuck that. Is he old? I have no idea anymore. Whelps aren't supposed to be old. Is definitely good for people who have belly fetish. But yeah, because belly fetish, should we put it here? Yeah, why not? Alright, this is my tier list in Prezi, because this is the most convenient. So in S we have Yesera and Malagos. Then in A, I don't know, this is somewhere in between. He is super hot actually. So let's put him there in between A and S. Then in A we have these folks. The cute, shy, big-headed explorer, the Cobble Spellkin, the evasive Dragonid. Oh, alright, I misread that. Good. Zeroku, the Warped, and in B we have Emerald Explorers, Squall Hunter, Dragon Queen, Alexstrasza, Evasive Broom, Deathwing, Sigruin. In C we have Nidhogg, Crazy Netherwing. That's quite good looking. I don't know. No, not that. Nosdormu, Fate Weaver. Then in D we have Murzond, the Infinite Varanus, and Primordial Explorer. In E we have Evasive Failing and Big Ol' Whelp. And in F we have Vox Dread and Azure Explorer. Alright, thank you for sticking with me, thank you for watching this lovely tier list, and see you next time when I have video ideas and stuff. Bye! I was Hex and stuff, and bye.